Hey, do you have a moment?
No. What are you about to do?
I'm about to flip into this pond.
Today I'm going to be interviewing random strangers on the street. Let's see how this goes. In this episode, I actually interviewed random strangers. I didn't know any of them. I just went up to them. It was a little awkward. Some of these answers were crazy, some of them were not. So let's get started with the video. What are your thoughts on social media?
It's great.
Do you like YouTube or TikTok better?
I'm gonna say YouTube.
Why?
You know, I've been growing up with it, and TikTok, like, I don't know, it's like from China. Who gives a shit?
What app do you like better, YouTube or TikTok?
YouTube.
Hey, do you have a moment?
No.
What are your thoughts on social media?
I mean, I like it. It's a good way to keep up with friends and family. And, you know, yeah, it's kind of fun. But sometimes it can be bad for some people. It's literally like...
So, what are your thoughts on social media?
I think fries work very well with cheeseburgers.
What are you about to do?
I'm about to flip into this pond.
That's amazing. Why are you doing that?
Why not?
Thank you for watching Sammy on the Street. If you want to see more of Sammy on the Street, remember to subscribe and like, and there will be more videos like this. I'll see you next time.